Samsung just dropped a game changer in Canada. If you own a Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, or S23 Ultra in Canada, stop scrolling right now. Samsung has officially rolled out the One UI 8 update, and it's not just another boring software patch. This one packs major upgrades, fresh personalization tools, and smarter features that actually matter. What's new in One UI 8 for Galaxy S23 users in Canada? This update is around 3.1 gigabytes now, so make sure you've got enough space and a solid Wi-Fi connection before downloading. Here are the official build numbers. S911WVLU6EYI5 Galaxy S23, S960VLU6YI Galaxy S23 Plus, S918WVL6EYI5 Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now let's talk features, because Samsung didn't hold back. Best face for motion photos. Snapped a group photo but someone blinked? Now you can swap faces from different frames to fix awkward expressions instantly. Smart wallpaper recommendations. One UI 8 will now pick the best photos from your gallery and suggest them as wallpapers. Smarter lock screen customization. Your clock auto-adjusts to your wallpaper, making your lock screen look cleaner and more premium. Direct Galaxy Buds controls in settings. No more opening the Galaxy Wearable app. Manage your earbuds right from your system settings. September 2025 security patch included, keeping your device safer and more stable. How to install the update. Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Make sure your battery is at least 50% and you're connected to Wi-Fi for a smooth upgrade. This update isn't just visual, it's practical, and it makes everyday use faster, smarter, and way more fun. If you've been waiting for a reason to love your Galaxy S23 again, this is it. Already updated? Comment your favorite feature. Haven't updated yet? Hit that install button now, and don't forget to follow for more Samsung tips and hidden features.